Hi, what's going on YouTube? This is me Dishan Hormuz and back with another hot crypto project. Today I just want to talk about RankerDAO and I want to give complete detail about this one project and all the related link about this one project you will be getting in the video description. So you can check them all one by one before start. Small disclaimer. This is not going to be any investment advice. My job is to find and introduce you about most trusted and reliable project. Always do your own research before investing in any project, and please make sure if you are new to the channel, so please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update from the Dishan Hormuz. So let's get started regarding RankerDAO. Basically, this is a official tweet from KuCoin. You can see RankerDAO get listed on KuCoin and it's still over premium. And if you look to dear KuCoin user, KuCoin is extremely proud to announce yet another great project coming to our trading platform. RankerDAO is now available on KuCoin. Supported trading pair is USDT. Means that if they are listed on KuCoin, after that you will be able to buy this one project with easily with the pair of USDT. And I just want to give you some detail about the following sheet only about just for about listing. You can see deposit effectively immediately supported network is ERC20 and BP20. And training will be alive on 24 February and withdrawal will be on 26 February. It means that if these projects are listed on KuCoin, after that you will be able to withdraw this one project from one exchange to another exchange who are already exist there. You will be able to withdraw this one project easily from in 26 February. And this is some total supply of this one project. This is circulating supply of this one project, and this is the current price of this one project. This is issues date of this one project, and I just want to give you a small introduction to this one project. You can see RankerDAO, a decentralized autonomous organization DAO that empower crypto adopter to gain access to the biggest trend of blockchain based activities from various verticals within the DAO. We have gold and gamers to view who congregate around or gaming sub guild and get the full benefit from of their membership of the guild through inventive concept taken through the emergent social fi ecosystem. This is little about this one. I just want to go to the main official account because I'm always check the complete detail about any project. You can see get set play on. Basically we are a guild of gamers who are passionate about P2E. We aim to empower our guild member to enjoy all the benefits as they explore the vast emergent social FI ecosystem. And your advantage start now. This is some little about this. You can see currently guild member can choose between two of the biggest P2E games, Axie Infinity and Theta Arena. You can see I'm already reviewed this one, Axie Infinity and Theta Arena. You can also check out some detail about some point. You can see without currently around 5,500 plus gaming NFT, you are free to explore each world according to your own tracks and gameplay. This is something about this, and this is also a gaming project. And if you want to mint their NFTs, you can also able to mint their different type of NFTs. You can see you can enjoy access to our NFT and other bonds with your ranker badge that you will receive upon joining us with us. This is some detail about it. You can also study about this in you can see our DAO community. We are for our community and made by the community. Our member have the privilege to vote on how we grow our platform, such as voting for our next collection of NFT on the DeFi assets to explore. Basically they just want to also place the different type of collections of NFT, and if you participate in that and if you hold for some time these NFTs, you will be able to get a passive return from that sides. And you can see social FI strong. This is some little about social FI strong. You can see start your adventure together with our network. You can socialize and strategize your with your peer to create a new tactics and earn more than ever before. Complete with your friends and rank up to get more of our gold exclusive NFTs. And this is some partnership who are done by them with the others. But if you look to the main community of this one project, you can see the main community of this one project is almost 40.7k followers. And if you look to the coin market cap, I just want to search on coin market cap because it is also too much important to check out some important tell from the coin market cap. But right now I think so the market is unrestricted down to listing. So if the market is unrestricted, so we won't be able to do anything about this one point to buy. You can see market data is untracked so that's why we are not able to buy this one project. You can simply study about this one project, and I hope you like this video. If you like this video, so please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update from the Sean Hormuz. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Thanks a lot.